Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best TKL mechanical keyboard is probably one of the most sought-after peripherals for gamers and typists alike, offering a perfect blend of functionality and space-saving design. Its compact size makes it ideal for smaller desks without sacrificing the satisfying feel and responsiveness of mechanical switches, and the absence of the number pad allows for more comfortable hand positioning and easier mouse access. Today, we'll delve into what makes a great TKL keyboard, exploring key features, switch types, build quality, and overall value to help you find the perfect fit for your needs. Number 5. SteelSeries Apex Pro TKL. Get ready to experience the future of gaming keyboards. It's designed for ultimate speed and customization, giving you the edge in any competition. This keyboard features incredibly responsive OmniPoint 2.0 switches. They allow for adjustable actuation, meaning you can customize the key press sensitivity for each key. Say goodbye to lag. Its rapid trigger technology eradicates latency, making your actions incredibly fast and precise. With 40 levels of per-key actuation, you can fine-tune your key press sensitivity from 0.1 mm to 4.0 mm. This allows for incredibly nuanced control. Program 2 different actions to a single key. For example, a light press could walk, while a deeper press could sprint. The possibilities are endless. It boasts 20x faster actuation and an 11x faster response than traditional mechanical keyboards. Experience lightning-fast performance. It features a compact tankless design perfect for esports, without sacrificing functionality. The premium aluminum top plate adds durability and style. It includes a detachable USB-C cable and a USB pass-through port for connecting additional devices. It's convenient and practical. Upgrade your gaming setup today and dominate the competition with this keyboard. Its speed, customization, and features will elevate your gameplay. What we like. It offers unparalleled customization with adjustable actuation for each key, allowing for lightning-fast responses. This makes it perfect for competitive gaming where every millisecond counts. If you are a serious gamer looking for a competitive edge, this keyboard is for you. What people say. The switches in this are linear, so they don't have a tactile click or bump but instead a smooth keystroke. This is perfect for FPS shooters as it allows for faster and better feeling key presses. The lowest actuation setting, which is 0.4 mm, is very nice for those quick movements, pulling up your heels, shield wheel and throwable wheel on Apex Legends. The OLED screen is a really cool feature and actually allows you to change settings without the SteelSeries engine application. Settings like brightness, actuation, macros. Plus you can have custom messages as the main screen on the display. Number 4. Corsair K70 RGB TKL. Get ready to experience the ultimate gaming keyboard. It's designed for speed, precision, and style, making it the perfect choice for any serious gamer. This keyboard is rigorously tested by top esports athletes. It's built to help you perform at your peak and secure that victory. Experience lightning-fast responsiveness. It transmits your inputs up to 8x faster than standard keyboards, giving you a significant competitive edge. Customize your gaming setup with vibrant per-key RGB backlighting. Show off your team colors or create your own unique lighting effects. Easily switch to tournament mode with a flick of a switch. It disables macros and switches to static backlighting, ensuring distraction-free gameplay. It features durable, double-shot PBT keycaps that resist wear and tear. The thick keycaps provide excellent stability for consistent performance. Enjoy the convenience of a detachable USB-C cable and a compact tankless design. It's perfect for taking it with you to tournaments or saving space on your desk. What we like. Experience blazing fast responsiveness with its hyperpolling rate and durable aluminum frame. The detachable USB-C cable adds to its portability, making it ideal for gamers on the go. If you value speed and durability in a portable package, this is the keyboard for you. What people say. Let's get this out of the way, these switches blow any of Cherry's linear options out of the water. Trying these optical switches compared to MX Reds is hilarious. They're just so smooth and light. The overall keyboard chassis itself is very similar to the old K70 that I have laying around, as in, it's good. It really does feel like a premium product. Major thumbs up for keycap compatibility. The stabilizers are dead quiet, and the keys themselves honestly sound very good. Number 3. ROCCAT Vulcan TKL Pro. Get ready to experience the future of gaming keyboards. It's designed for speed, precision, and total control. This keyboard uses cutting-edge optical switches. They provide lightning-fast responsiveness without sacrificing the satisfying feel of mechanical keys. Its compact design gives you more desk space for your mouse. Improve your aiming and overall gameplay. Never miss a keystroke, no matter how intense the action gets. It ensures every command registers perfectly. With Easy Shift, Plus, technology, you can assign secondary functions to keys. Double your command options instantly. Control your volume and mute your audio instantly. A dedicated dial and button give you total control at your fingertips. Experience vibrant, dynamic lighting. It seamlessly connects with other compatible devices for stunning visual effects. Its detachable USB-C cable makes it perfectly portable. Onboard profile storage ensures consistent performance wherever you play. What we like. It boasts incredibly fast linear optical switches for ultimate responsiveness, combined with a compact tankless design for maximum desk space. The AMO lighting system adds a stylish touch. If you prioritize speed and a clean setup, this keyboard is an excellent choice. What people say. The smooth strokes and quick response feels like it has lifted the skill ceiling on movement. I can actually dance around with my hand on the keyboard much faster to do the things I want to do, and I feel much more precise. The weight of the board is really solid and the key presses are super soft. The RGB looks great and you can assign different lighting to individual keys in the software. The minimal profile really does it for me. I did find the keycaps to be unusual at first, but it's actually fantastic. I tried swapping keycaps and it made the board sound less crisp, plus the space between the caps allows for amazing RGB and easier typing, less likely to hit adjacent keys. Number 2. GMMK 85% Mechanical Keyboard. It's the first hot swap RGB gaming keyboard, so you can easily change switches without soldering. Enjoy per key RGB customization with our software or directly from hotkeys. It comes with Higround brown tactile switches, perfect for quiet offices or intense gaming sessions. The backlit RGB LEDs make the ABS keycaps extra bright and easy to read. It has a standard ANSI layout, so it's compatible with tons of third-party keycaps from brands like Higround and Opal. The aluminum top plate and plastic bottom plate provide great sound. The built-in stand lets you adjust the angle for comfortable typing. The sculpted keycaps help keep your hands relaxed and comfortable during long use. It works with Windows, Mac, and even some consoles. Plus, it comes with a 1-year limited manufacturer warranty for peace of mind. What we like. This keyboard's hot swappable switches let you easily customize the feel and sound to your liking. The vibrant RGB backlighting adds a personalized touch. If you enjoy tinkering and want a keyboard that's truly your own, this is the one for you. What people say. It is modded in the following ways. Even though I liked the stock Higround brown switches for a while, they seemed a bit too light, so I decided to totally overkill it and get Kalebox Ancient Grey's linear switches with the actuation force of 95G or so. I am still getting used to them, but the nice thing about them is that I rarely bottom the keys out now, which to me makes these switches feel like they are faster than the browns. GMMK1 has good medium weight to it, and I play sitting cross-legged with the keyboard resting on my legs and lap. It feels heavy enough not to slide away easily but not so heavy that it interrupts the blood flow. Works well with a full-sized wrist rest I have. The keyb has just good solid weight that doesn't make it feel cheap. The combination of the grays, Durox, Glorious Grease and SA caps feels very good for gaming and typing. It was the experiment with a happy end. All the components working together, along with the right weight and good ergonomics for my use case, make it to be my main keyboard, that is also easy and light enough to carry around with a laptop. Number 1. Higround Crystal Opal Basecamp Keyboard. It's a compact 65% keyboard with all the essential keys. Perfect for gamers who value space-saving design without compromising functionality. This keyboard blends 90s retro style with a modern transparent design. The translucent frame and vibrant backlighting create a sleek, contemporary look. Experience a satisfying and immersive typing feel. It features dual silicone dampening layers for a weighted feel and a rich, thocky sound, straight out of the box. It comes with pre-lubed, hot-swappable silent glacier switches. You can easily customize the switches and RGB lighting to personalize your gaming experience. With customizable RGB lighting and hot-swappable switches, it offers effortless hardware and software customization. It's compact yet powerful, perfect for versatile gamers. Looking for a gift? This keyboard is a versatile present for friends, family, or colleagues who love gaming. It makes a fantastic gift for any occasion. What we like. It provides a satisfying and quiet typing experience with its silent switches and compact 65% layout. The unique thocky sound adds a premium feel. If you value a quiet yet satisfying typing experience in a compact design, this keyboard is perfect for you. What people say. This keyboard feels great typing, feels like typing on jelly because how effortlessly the keystrokes are when pushing down on the keys. Talking about the keys switches when they say this thing is silent. That is not a joke. The only way I can hear the key click sound is when my room is quiet and I'm right on top of it. The keys have a nice stock to them and are pretty comfortable to type on for long-term usage. The Higround application is pretty easy to use to remap keys and change colors. A lot easier than other apps that I've had to use. This compact keyboard feels great to type on, especially with the white glacier switches, which creates a satisfying feel and sound whenever I type. The lights are also pretty, especially with the translucent key, and easy to customize with onboard presets that I can easily choose from. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.